There comes a day when you stop running. Not from people, not from problems, but from yourself. A day when you finally turn around and face the version of you that you've ignored, avoided, and buried for years. And in that moment, everything changes. Because the moment you stop running, you start rising. Most people aren't tired. They're hiding. Hiding behind excuses, distractions, fake confidence, fake smiles, and temporary escapes. But deep down, they know the truth. Their life isn't stuck because of the world. It's stuck because they haven't confronted the person they became. You can lie to everyone, but not to yourself. You know when you're wasting time. You know when you're living below your potential. You know when you're not giving even 10% of what you could be giving. And that version of you, the lazy one, the afraid one, the unconfident one, that version keeps pulling you backward. But the moment you stop running, you meet the version of you that's been waiting to come alive. Every transformation begins with one brutal moment. You look in the mirror and you finally admit, I'm not living the life I'm meant to live. It hurts, it shakes you, but it's real, and real is where the change begins. No more pretending, no more wishing, no more one day. This is the moment you say, I'm done escaping. I'm done hiding. I'm done being half of who I can be. That's when the real you, the stronger you, the disciplined you, the fearless you, finally wakes up. People think success is about fighting the world, but the real battle is inside you. It's you versus your excuses, you versus your fears, you versus your comfort zone, you versus your past self. And here's the truth, you don't have to destroy your old self. You just have to outgrow it. The version of you who gave up easily, outgrow him. The version of you who got jealous of others' success, outgrow him. The version of you who needed validation, outgrow him. The version of you who lacked discipline, outgrow him. Growth doesn't require violence, it requires consistency. Small wins, small actions, small steps, repeated until they become who you are. Transformation isn't loud, it's quiet, painfully quiet. It's waking up earlier than you want, it's working when no one believes in you, it's trying again when no one is clapping. It's changing habits that have lived inside you for years. This process hurts, it breaks you, it tests you, but every day you get sharper, every day you get stronger, every day you become a little more aligned with the person you want to be. And slowly, your life begins to shift. Not because luck knocks on your door, but because discipline built the new you. There is a version of you that you've never met, a warrior, a leader, a creator, a focused, powerful, unbreakable human being. This version isn't built through motivation. It's built through moments you didn't want to continue, but did anyway. The 5 a.m. mornings, the lonely nights grinding, the silent battles, the self-control, the sacrifices, the doubts you pushed through. One day, you will look back and realize you didn't become this person by accident. You forged this person, piece by piece, habit by habit, decision by decision. And that's when you'll understand the most important truth. You were never running from the world. You were running from your own potential. But not anymore. Not today. This is the moment you stop running. This is the moment you take your power back. This is the moment you finally say, I choose growth. I choose change. I choose the stronger version of me. Because the world hasn't met the real you yet. Not the disciplined you, not the resilient you, not the unstoppable you. but they will, soon.